Hi everyone, Dr. Nash here. In this clip we're going to be looking at indenting paragraphs, or whether to use an indented paragraph or a block paragraph. Really, it is up to the criteria of your assessment, and if it says that you should have block paragraphs, then that's what you're going to do. If it says to have indented, then you will use that. If it doesn't specify, it's about being consistent whichever one you happen to choose. So in this case, you can see that I've got a couple of paragraphs here. I've got 3 paragraphs, and at the moment they're on the Microsoft Office 2012 default setting. So if I actually go to paragraph on this, to see that default setting, so I right click and went to paragraph, you can see it's got the 10 points there. Now that does give a little bit of definition between your paragraphs, but you're probably better off having a bigger a much bigger space there for more definition. So one thing you can do here is just select all. What we'll do is we'll get rid of that 10 point spacing there, so we'll take that to 0. Click OK. Now you can see it actually pulls the paragraph up. If you now give it a full space between those paragraphs, that's a lot more definition, and you can see that they're clearly block paragraphs. Now what I'll do is I'll just take these back one space, that one and that one, to show you how to actually leave the indent. So again, I can do a select all here. If you do this from the first paragraph, it will format for the entire document. Right click, and if we go to paragraph, now to get the indent, again we've got our special up here. Click on special, first line, and that gives the automatic default indent to it. So if I click OK now and go back to it, you can now see that the paragraphs have all got an indent to them. There's no double space between them, so it's just, again, 1.5 line spacing for this entire document, but it's the indent that defines the differences between my paragraphs, the breaks between my paragraphs. So you can use either of these. Either use the clear block, where the top line would be up against the left-hand margin here, but there'd be a double space between the paragraphs. Otherwise, you can use the indent, where there's no double space between the paragraphs, but you have got that indent going through the special there. As always, it's not what happens to you, it's what you do about it. Keep on studying.